Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure C has at least 10% free space and you're connected to power or a reliable outlet. Once done, note any Windows Update error codes and recent system changes. Take a screenshot if needed. Next, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter from Settings, Update, and Security, then follow its on-screen steps. This tool can auto-fix permissions and service issues. You will see progress and suggested fixes. Apply them before moving to manual repair steps. Once the troubleshooter runs, you may need manual repairs. First, stop update services using elevated command prompt. Use netstop for WiiWaServe, crypt SVC bits, and MSI server. Then rename C /Windows/software distribution and catroot2 to force Windows to rebuild update data. This removes cached, possibly corrupted files. Next, restart those services and run system integrity checks. sfc/scano to repair files, followed by dism/online/cleanup image. After repairs, reboot the PC and check Windows Update. Install pending updates one at a time to isolate failures. If an update still fails, capture the new error code and retry the install in clean boot mode so third-party apps don't interfere. If that doesn't work, use System Restore to return to a known good point or create recovery media to run offline repairs and uninstall the faulty update. Quick tip: keep the error code. It directs targeted fixes and speeds further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.